Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111 and today I am doing the pick a card reading for the October predictions. What are the messages for you for the month of October 2020? Okay, and this is the pick a card reading, so you can pick any one of the pile and you will find the message which is meant for you for the October 2020. Okay, so the pile number 1 is the red color. Okay, red color chalk. Then the pile number 2 is the blue color chalk, and then the pile number 3 is the dark green color chalk. Okay, and I have pulled the 3 cards for the general energies. Then one is the bottom of the deck card and 3 cards of the advice cards, okay, for the each group. So I will I will put the timestamps in the description box down below, and you can choose any one of the pile, okay, which you drawn, which color you drawn, or which you feel you should go with. Okay, so we will start with the reading for the pile number 1. Okay, so pile number 1, which is the red color, so we will see your card first. I haven't seen before the cards. Okay, okay, sorry. So your cards are 2 of wands, 8 of cups, and the temperance. Okay, and the bottom of the deck was 8 of pentacles. Okay, we will see the advice cards later. Okay, so you people might be the water sign: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or the Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. You have been put lot of hard work for a specific work, for your business, for your work, for your career, or for the relationship. Okay, you has been done the lot of work, lot of hard work. Pentacle shows us the hard work. Okay, some of you has been started the new career, or some of you are working with not new, but some of you working with the Minecraft, then the some creativity projects, some designing of the metals, some jewelry designing. Okay, giving some shapes and making that attractive, making new designs, upcoming designs. Okay, and you has been doing lot of hard work with your with the passionately. Okay, with very full concentration, but you wanted to move away from the situation because whatever hard work you has been done, this is not serving your purpose. Okay, or some of you, it might be the relationship, as you has been put lot of efforts for to build this relationship at the higher level, and you has been put lot of efforts to bring that in the good, means good, bring that in the higher level of the connection. But it is the I am able to see that you are the only one person that putting lot of efforts, but the other person and the other person is not giving you the value and not recognizing your hard work. Okay, so you just want to move away from this situation, negativity. It might be the negativity in the sense, might be the toxic situation, toxic habits like alcoholism, smoking. Okay, sleeping problems, anxiety problems. Okay, and you just want to move away from these problems. Okay, and you are taking leap of faith to move forward. Okay, and you has been selected the one wants, you want to travel to the world. Some of you, you are the business person properly, and you need a lot of travel for your work. Okay, and for some of you, you want to change your location in the sense you don't want to stay whatever you are currently staying in. You want to move abroad, and you want to show the talent in the other ways, other places, and you just want to explore your knowledge, explore your experience. Okay, and you want to show your skills to the others. Okay, you are hopeful that you are hopeful that at that time, and as you will yeah, as you will go abroad, as will you will do the changes in your living place, then you might getting some good results for your work and for your situation. Okay, so you are putting the past behind, whatever the past hurts, past heartbroken energies, the people who are has been hurting you, and bad habits. You are just turn your back to that past, that toxic past, and you just hopeful for the new beginnings. Okay, and the temperance is the card of the is the major arcana. Okay, it is giving you the ability. Angels are working for you. Angels want to work these things out. Whatever you was giving, you should get receive in the same amount. Okay, at least you whatever you deserve. You has been done a lot of hard work, but the result you has been you has not get anything desired. Okay, it was just means it was not serving your purposes. Okay, but angels are with you, and they want to healing these things. Okay, they want to heal yourself. This is the you have to be open your crown chakra and third eye chakra. Okay, heart chakra, because then only you will follow the intuition, whatever intuitions you want to follow. Means universe will give you the intuitions, lot of intuitions, you have to be follow that. Okay, and you have to be um, see the picture in the broad perspective. Okay, and open your heart to give and receive. As you open your heart, heal your heart, then only you will move forward happily. Okay, so we will see the advice cards. Okay, so the first card is the birth. Be receptive to the new idea, new child or situation. Okay, nice. Then the second card is mother mary. Mother mary and the unicorns are blessings you. Again the same message, universe is also with you, angels are with you. Then the choice is number 4, there is another way, ask your unicorns to find it out. Okay, so properly this message are properly resonating. That birth is the you want to move forward, you want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward. So universe is unicorns are giving you the advice that be receptive to the new idea, new child or new situation. Some of you, there might be your family expansion, some other new member is going to come into your family. Okay, some new baby or new person in coming into your life. Okay, so be receptive to that new idea of going forward, new idea of expanding your career, new idea of showing your skills to the other world. Okay, because whatever you are currently, people are not recognizing your work. So for the rest of the world you have to show your talents. Okay, for be receptive for the new situation, this is the new situation for you. Okay, you has been before, you has not been done such things, but be receptive, there is a birth. Okay, there is a birth. Some of you, you has been life path number 2. Okay, so there are synchronicities also 8822. So you just check it out, what are the meanings for you. Okay, you can google it, then you will able to find it. Okay, so birth of the new idea, new situation. Okay, and new child. So new things are going to come into your way. Then this the choices, there is another way. Rather than working hard in this position, in this workplace, you have other choices also. So you just have to be asked for the unicorns, ask you have to pray to the god, and new choices are going to come into your way in the October 2020, because there is another way to show your talent, show your skills, upgrade your knowledge, to show your talent to the other to the whole world. Okay, so universe want to help you out. Again, angels want to help you, angels want to help you. they are they are giving you the platform, so you just have to choose wisely and go forward. Okay, mother mary mother mary mother mary and the unicorns are blessings you, giving you the blessings. So universe are is with you. Okay, they are giving you lots of blessings, lots of abundance, but you just have to be take a proper choice. Okay, number 4, that will bring you the number 4 is the stability card. So financially and emotionally you will be find the peace. Okay, find the balance, find the stability, but you just have to be hopeful for the be receptive for the new idea, situation or the child. Okay, So this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. So pile number 2, those who has been choose the pile number 2, these are your general cards. Then this is the bottom of the deck energy, and these are the advices. Okay, so we will start with your reading. Okay, Hanged Man, 6 of Cups and the 2 of Pentacles. Okay, and the bottom of the energy, Ace of Pentacles. Wow, really nice. So right now you are juggling in the two things. You are trying to find the balance. Okay, you are trying to find the balance of your emotions, workplace, career, finances. Okay, relationships. Okay, you are very hard, for you it is very hard to find out the balance, but in October 2020 you will able to find that balance. But you have to be change your perspective of thinking, rather than seeing the world in the straight way. You just have to give one angle, means upside down. You have to be focus everything in different angles. Okay, then only you will able to seek the different messages, and you will find the new path for your success. Okay, because there are opportunities are coming into your way. So Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so you might be earth sign, water sign, you might be any sign, but money offer is going to come into your way, prosperity is going to come into your way, abundance is going to come into your universe is going to give you this opportunity. For some of you, your past life soulmate, this is the past life soulmate card. So past life soulmate is going to come into your life. It means that this past person, some of you, it might be your childhood friend, it might be in your past life. Okay, the friend, the soulmate of your past life. Okay, there is some age gap between both of you, and there are, I think there is some gift exchange also. There will be some gift exchange also. That person wants to give you the gift. Okay, or you might be offering some gift to that person. Okay, so 6 of Cups. Okay, so you will find this balance. Okay, find this balance, find this clarity, but you have to be open your crown chakra. Okay, open your crown chakra, and you just have to be see the world in the different perspective. Okay, there are some, obviously there are some people around you which will give you the wrong information, which will want to stuck you. They just want to give you the obstacle in this connection. They just want to, you should be not in this connection. But the Hanged Man, again, it is a major arcana. So the universe is giving you the advice, even though people will do in that way, even though people will give you the wrong information, but you have to be seek the truth. You have to be able to seek the truth. So you have to be open your crown chakra. Okay, and open your third eye chakra. You have to be intuitive. Okay, and you will find the truth behind the situation. Okay, and then only you will able to meet this kind of past life soulmate, and that person might be significant for you. I think that person also wants to give you some offer regarding the finance, or they might be want to offer commitment to you. Okay, because pentacles also sometimes represent the family card. Okay, so there are some offers coming into your way regarding the finance or regarding the marriage. Okay, so we will see your advice cards. Laughter, intuitions. I told you, you have to focus on your intuitions, and again the intuitions card is there. And the silence. See, I told you, silence. You have to be seek the truth. Okay, so we will go with these cards. Laughter attract the unicorn. So you are just very stressed out while balancing. It is very hard for you to balance all these things out. So you forgot to be happy. You are very stressed, you are under stress, you are not enjoying your life, but universe is telling you that you should be laughter, you should enjoy your life with the happily ever after. So you have to be very happily, very joyfully, okay, because laughter attracts the unicorns, which is the wish coming true, okay. So your wish will coming true, your wishes will coming to coming into the physical world, but you have to be enjoy, you have to be in a high vibration energy, okay. Put yourself in the high vibration. And how you can do that? You have to be retreat yourself from the world. I told you, some people will give you the wrong information. They don't want to be you both should be together, okay. So they give you the wrong information, but you have to be very focused on your intuitions and your intuition. You can listen your intuition when you are in the still, you are in the silence. You have to be retreat yourself from the world. Be still for the all, and the answers lie in the silence, because your silence will give you the lots of answers, okay. Your silence, your mind is going to give you the lots of answers. And then the intuitions card, listen to your inner wisdom, because this intuitions light, it is the intuitions light of the intuition. So your intuitions will guide you in the right path, okay. You can see the right path, okay. This will bloom you, this will give you the light to direct you the correct path, okay. Even though there is a darkness in the cloud, you just have to be meditate, you have to be meditate, open your third eye chakra, crown chakra. Then only you can able to do, because while finding the balance, you has been going some out track, so you have to become on the track. Then only you will achieve all these things, okay. You should be the high vibrational source, okay. Then only this will come true, okay. So this was your reading for the pile number 2. Please let me know in the comment section how it is resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Okay, so pile number 3, these are your cards. We will start with your reading. These 3 cards are the general cards, okay, general tarot cards. This is the bottom of the deck energy, and there are 3 advices from the unicorns deck. So we will take the advices cards later on, okay. And we will start with your reading. Wow, Ace of Cups, Judgment, and the Ace of Pentacles, and the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands, okay. So really nice cards, okay. So in the October 2020, some person is going to come into your way. That person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or the Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, okay. It might be anything, but that person will be in this under this signs, okay. Even though they are water sign, earth sign, or air sign, fire sign, but that person will show the strong traits in this month of the pentacles, like earth sign energy and the fire sign energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, okay. So they want to offer you the commitment, they want to offer you the cup of love, or they want to be offer you the solid connection. This is the cup, okay, which is overflowing. So they want, this is the cup of emotions which is overflowing, so they want to passionate beginning with you in the form of love, okay, compassion, and the judgment. They want the happy family with you, they want to be grow old with you, they want to be having kids with you, okay. So the judgment is the major arcana. So universe is universe is bringing you both in the same page, on the same page, okay. So that you will come into the union. So this person is I think this person is very intuitive, okay. And their Venus may be Pisces, in the Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, okay. Or some of you, it might be they might be having the Mars in their chart, like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay. So the judgment, this is the universal connection, and universe is giving you and giving them the lot of epiphany, okay, giving you the signals that you both are meant to be for each other. But and that person is going to be offer you, okay. You might be the water sign, or that person might be Venus in the water, okay. So they will give you the cup of love. And for those who are already in the marriage or already in the committed relationship, then this connection will be level up. Okay, level up in the sense, if they are, you people are married, then you will having the kid. If you are committed, then you will get married, like that. Okay, and some of you who don't want this connection at all, then you will that person will give you the offer in the way you will feel very happy. It might be your career. Okay, but for I think this will be for very small percentage of you. But this is regarding, I can clearly say that this is the marriage proposal or love proposal. Okay, then we will see the advice cards. Okay, prompting, magic, and wishes. Okay, so the magic, you was not expecting that this offer will come into your way, because you are really busy in your work. You are focusing on your finances, your career, yourself. Okay, so this was a magic, this is like a magic come. You will come, you don't have any idea when this person is coming to your life, and out of nowhere. So there is a magic around you, so expect the excitement and the joy. So that person will give you lot of excitement, lot of joy. They will exchange the gifts with you, giving you the wisdom, prosperity. Okay, abundance in the all form, like love, finance, everything. They will heal you. Okay, so the magic, it is like a magic. You will see, you will say like, how can this will be happen. So this is like a magic, there is a magical changes around you. So expect some excitement and joy. Then the second card is the 35 wishes. Be careful what you wish for, as your one wish will be granted. So your one wish is going to be granted by the universe in this October 2020. So you have to be, some of you might be having manifested this person since a long. Okay, you want this person, you has been do some love spell, you has been done some manifestation, some manifestations, yeah. And this is the time that your manifestation are going to be work. Okay, because your one wish is going to be granted. So very wisely you have to be asked to the universe what you want, because that is going to come into your way. But later on you are not supposed to say that no. As I told you before only, some of you will reject this person, and you will say no, I don't want this anything. Right now I just want to focus on my pentacles, right now I just want my pentacles, and right now I just want to focus on myself. It is very small percentage of you, but this people, the viewers, I think, has been manifest this person anyhow, like indirectly, directly. It is not needed that love spell or anything, but directly, indirectly, you has been manifested this person, and the universe has been bring this person to you, your doorways. So you are not supposed to say no to this person, because this was your wish, and this wish is going to become true. So be careful forward also in the further life also. Be careful what you wish for, because your one wish is going to be granted. Okay, then the card is the prompting, number 6. Prompting, call a friend. Yeah, I strongly feel some of you will want to reject this person, and confused by this person. You will not believe this person, because out of nowhere this person will come into your life, and they will all wanted to offer you everything, everything they have, and you will confused how this can be happen. So you just have to be, you will confuse. So universe is telling you, you can get some help from your friends. Okay, you can call your friend today, you can call your friends and take some guidance from them. Okay, the friends who are loyal with you and very close to you. Okay, so you can take the guidance from them. Okay, so this is your reading for the pile number 3, who has been chose the green color. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please let me know, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.